Right, hello there. We're going to do an unboxing of the Flymo Glider 330. Picked this up from Argos earlier on, and it's a third off, which is a good price at 80 quid if it does the job properly. So just pack into the box, not really expected to cause any damage anywhere. And inside we have, well, the Glider 330, and it doesn't look like it needs any assembly, just looks like we can lift it out. Met a woman in the bar. Yeah. Got some Gil Scott Heron playing in the background, which is always good. Did we just lift this up? No, not yet. Pull it out like that, put it on the floor. Well, I think we're job done really. This is kind of the unboxing that a bloke would do, which is have a little poke around everywhere first, and then worry about reading the manual afterwards. Okay, and that is it. Well, that was very straightforward. So let's have a look what's inside of here. Alright, to put these back down you just need to squeeze that a little bit. Not much effort. That fold over nicely. Lift it up and they clip out again. What else we got here? That's obviously where all the grass hopefully gets collected and compressed in. Ooh, what have we got here? Some sort of tool. Okay, so that's a cleaning tool, and the spacers go in there. Now I think the spacers are for lifting the Flymo up so you get a bigger cut. Let's have a look underneath. Metal? Yeah, metal. Yeah, what I might do is take this one off and put my other one on from my other Flymo, depending on what the strength feels like. That looks okay. So there's a... let's just show you. There's a little plastic bolt there, and the plastic spanner inside goes around that. And then you can add spanner. Right, it's not to lift it, it's to lower this so you get a finer cut. Which kind of makes sense. Okay. So that didn't actually take very long. So with it comes the usual bunch of stuff. Here's the registration, accessories. Anything kind of missing out of here. Instruction manuals, start, cable clip. Oh, okay, so that's the cable clip. That's probably going to come straight off. And then a whole lot of information around the assembly and the starting and the stopping. How to mow, I might read that later on. Okay, and some instructions on adjusting the cutting height using the spacers that we've got in there. Okay, brilliant, that was it. Now I'm going to try it out.